Hi guys, and welcome back to Tattooed Sewer. So today we are going to start part 2 of the bomber jacket. I'm so excited because I've got my ribbon has arrived for the collar and the waist and the cuffs. I've never ever used this before, so it's going to be a learning curve for me, but hopefully it will all go to plan because I'm absolutely loving how this jacket is looking at the moment. So let's get started. So I've got the first cuff in. Oh my god, it was so difficult. It's in. I mean, it looks okay, but it's not right. But you know what, I don't care, I'm leaving it as it is. That was so tricky to get in because it's like super uber stretchy, and I think I've stitched it the wrong way round, so I think the stripe should be at the bottom, but you know what, I don't care, it's staying now. On the thing it said, on the pattern it said I needed to fold it in half, but you can't fold this in half, so I've sewn it in half. So it's a bit bulky, but it's my jacket, it doesn't matter, I don't care. I've got one cuff and I've got the zip in, so I've got the other cuff to do. And then I've got the neck to do. I'm really panicking about the neck because I really don't want to ruin this jacket. But it's learning. It's new experiences. I'm going to take the positive from it, and next time I do it, it won't be as hard, and I won't stab myself 100 million times with pins because it really hurts. You never get used to it. Okay guys, I'm going to struggle on. I'll be back to you in a mo. Right, so I've got both my cuffs in. Apparently it's a lot easier to do it once you know what you're doing, sort of, even though they're both in the wrong way pattern, but you know. So now I've cut out my neck piece. I hope to God this goes in okay. But I'm so annoyed. I don't have enough left for the waistband because I'm sure that is not going to be enough even with stretch. So I'm going to have to wait again to finish this jacket that I really want to wear. But anyway, I'm going to try and get this neckline in and then we can have a look at it then. Wish me luck guys. Oh, this is so stressful. Okay, so I have sewn my neckline in. There's good news and there's bad news. So this edge, lovely, tapers in, looks good. This one, see, complete flipping disaster. So I managed to sort my neck out, got my cuffs on, fits, got the little pockets going on, looks alright, till I stand up, because I ain't got no waistband. So basically, I'm going to have to wait. Finally, my waistband has arrived for my bomber jacket, so I can get on and get this finished. I've been waiting ages. Don't like waiting. Right, I'm going to crack on and try and work out how I'm going to attach this waistband, and then we can take a look at the finished product. Okay guys, so it's finally finished. Woo, 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 woo. So I'm just going to give you a little look so you can see what it's like. If I had to describe this project in one word, stabby. very stabby. Pins, stabbing at you from all directions. Yeah. Ribbing, don't think I'm going to work with it again for quite a while. But the actual construction of the jacket was not bad at all. It was just the ribbing and the fact that you get stabbed a million times. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the jacket. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Take care. See you soon. Love to you all. Bye.